Good morning, students. Today in grammar class we read about subject and predicate. This is not a new subject for you. It is already you know about what is subject and predicate. So generally sentence has a two part. One is subject part, another is predicate part. So a sentence, the subject is what? The subject is that the sentence tells us what the sentence is about. So about whom or about what the sentence is saying, that is the subject. Okay, it may be noun or a pronoun. Suppose Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. So here Ram is subject and is a boy is a predicate. Okay, subject may be sometimes a single word or it may be a group of word, and it may be noun or pronoun, that is called subject. The sentence tells about whom or what, that is subject, and rest of the sentence what tells. Okay, and the predicate is the part the sentence that tells about more the subject. About the subject what tells, about whom it tells, that is subject, and about subject what we tell. Suppose is a boy, that is predicate, and Ram is a subject. Okay, so a sentence has two part. It is subject part and a predicate part. Subject may be a single word or group of word, and predicate also a group of word. Suppose Amit rode a bicycle. So Amit is a subject, rode a bicycle is predicate. Okay, the boy in the house or the boy in the red shirt is a good boy or a tall boy. The boy in a red shirt is a good boy. So here the boy in a red shirt is completely, it is a subject. So I said that or told that this subject is a single word or a group of word, then rest of the letter is predicate part. Okay, so always subject is not starting of the sentence. Okay, it sometimes may be middle of the sentence or end of the sentence also subject comes. So you have to study the sentence carefully, which part is subject and which part is a predicate. So always here what subject came first in this sentence, but sometimes the subject comes in the middle or end of the sentence. So this here the Amit rode a bicycle, the subject is first. But when will, suppose one sentence, when will our holiday start? Interrogative sentence, our holiday is the subject, and when will start, that is predicate part. Here subject came in the middle of the sentence. Suppose in the dustbin, in the dustbin lay his pencil. It is a sentence where his pencil is a subject. Okay, and this is predicate. Here subject, this is predicate. So always the subject that comes in the beginning of the sentence. Sometimes the subject comes middle of the sentence or end of the sentence also. Okay, but in imperative sentence or subject in the imperative sentence it may be a command, advice or request. So in such sentence you will feel that there is no subject, but it is in height. Okay, suppose in imperative sentence, imperative sentence, it may be advice, command or request, advice command or request. So suppose use a command, close the door. So what is here subject? Where is the subject? But here in hide it means you close the door, which is in hiding, which is in hide. Okay, so this complete is predicate. Here close is not subject, so close the door is completely predicate, and you is here subject, and close the door is a predicate. Okay, suppose bring me a glass of water. Bring me a glass of water. So here completely bring me a glass of water, it is a command, that is predicate. But here also hide is, you is a hide here, this is subject. Okay, so sometimes in this lesson these are no direct subject mentioned. The subject is implied. Implied means it is hide, mean direct subject is not mentioned here. So always in imperative sentence you is there, which is subject. Okay, you should wash your hand. Wash your hand, that means you should wash your hands. So you is the subject, should wash your hands is the predicate. Okay, so I hope you understand about the subject and predicate. It is very easy, no difficult to understand. So this is all about for today's video. Thank you.